So hello once again guys, today is a Monday and the month is about to end. Today is the 28th. Today is the 28th of April. The month is now about to end and this week we'll be having NFP. So I just got in a position right now on gold. I use my EMAs for daily buyers and my EMAs were telling me that as for gold, we are going to be what? It was going down in 4 hours, 1 hour, as well as 30 minutes. This psychological level, it coincided with the 1 hour fair value gap, which means we have two areas of interest, right? We have a fair value gap in the 1 hour. If I am to draw a rectangle right here, let me zoom in the chart so that you can see clearly. Let me zoom in the chart so you can see clearly. Right. If I am to draw the fair value gap here, you can see this is a 1 hour bearish fair value gap and it is now being retested, right? So being retested, the 1 hour fair value gap, I went to my 15 minutes, right? And then I saw that what we have engulfing candles. We have a doji candle and an engulfing candle, right? After the engulfing candle, then we have our end. So my stop loss is just above this high and it is 900. Whilst my stop loss is 900, I told you I take my stop loss according to ATR. Our ATR is giving us 75 pips, right? And I put my stop loss of 90 pips. So I have my trend, right? My optimum trading zone, the psychological level, and the fair value gap. And we are also breaking and retesting. If you see, if I am to trace as it is, right? Left shoulder, right shoulder, head and right shoulder. And then if I'm to take as it is right here, right now it's now taking a small pullback. If I just remove this thing and put it aside here, you can see that this is a clear break and retest, right? It's a break of this support level and it is retesting to make it a resistance. So if this trade is taken out, I know that it is a 5-star loss. I have my trend, right? I also have my optimum trading zone, which is the psychological level, as well as the fair value gap, which coincided. That was just a coincidence, right? And also I also have my additional confluence. My additional confluence was the break and retest of this neckline, and we are also having a head and shoulders pattern, which is a reversal pattern, which shows that if the graph was going up, it is now going down, right? And what more would you like to see than a head and shoulders in a downtrend? And we all know that I use trend, optimum trading zone, additional confluence, and entry signal. For my entry signal, I've already told you that we have a bearish engulfing candle as well as my pin buy. So all is well in this trade. This is all well and good. So I'm just going to adjust, because it might not take these lows. I'm just going to adjust my take profit, right? Was I told you the minimum we want is a 1 to 2. So I'm just going to adjust and see what take profit will be comfortable, right? If it is more than 1 to 2, it will be fine. So I'm just going to put, let's say 20k because I have a 9k here. So this is a 1 to 2.2, and as we all know, I do not take these trades alone. Let me just update the community. Let me just update the community. So we are now going to our community. So updating the community now, I'm just going to tell them on what pair we are going to be adjusting. So this is how the days just go, guys. Right now I'm coming from work. I was on a part-time night shift. So yes, I work and go to school and do this as well. So this is it. This is how we just do our things. So yeah, big guys. This is why I like trading in these 5 minutes or 15 minutes, right? Especially to volatile pairs like gold and GBP, JPY. They execute fast. Now my trade is already in 1-to-1 risk to reward, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be putting it in break even, and I'll be showing you on my phone since I didn't show you whilst I was entering, so you might not know that I'm already on a position. So guys, let me just show you on my phone right here what we are doing, right? So I'm just going to open my not MT4. I want to open my MT5. I'm just going to open my MT5, right? And then I'm just going to show you how I will be adjusting my stop loss. And on this trade, I risked 1%. As I told you, I can risk from 0.5 to 1% depending, right, with the situation. Right now, I'm risking a 1%. So I have 2 trades. You know that my lot size, usually I risk 0.5%. So I have 2 trades with a stop loss of a what? Of a $513, right? The other one is 513, the other one is 565. But the take profits, we have a 1.3 and a 1.1 because they were entered at different positions. So I'm just going to show you, all right, how I'll be adjusting what my stop loss to break even, because it's already in 1:1 risk to reward. If it goes back, I don't want to regret that this trade was already in 1:1 and now I'm taking a stop loss. So I'm just going to adjust it right here to a bit, maybe about $100 to pay for commission and spread, right? And then I'm at 291. Okay, and then I'll look at the charts. Okay, right, this is where my break even is. So this is what we are up at, guys. This is what we are looking at, and just to show you, is the same account. You can see the history for the whole month is the same account, which we are up about 11.3%. So last week, which we lost about 1.1%. So today we have not yet taken any trades, and this is how the days just go, guys. I execute, right, in less than 2 hours, in 45 to 2 hours, in 45 minutes to 2 hours, the take profit is already eaten, right? So I take maybe 1 position or 2 positions per session, but I don't take more than three trades per day, maximum 3. So I might take 1 trade in London session, like as for now it's London session, and another trade maybe I'll take it in New York session. That's 2 trades per day. Or I'll just take 2 trades in New York session, or maybe 2 trades in London session, or maybe only 1 for the whole day and I'm done. As for now, this is how it goes. We just do 2 hours in the London session, and then the first 2 hours of the New York session, or the first 2 hours of the London session. The rest we just leave it to God, guys. As long as we have put our break even, we can go to sleep. As you can see, I also updated my channel. Right, I updated them both WhatsApp community and Telegram channel. That if you cannot handle your emotions, you can just go to bed, right, and leave all the trade runs on its own. All right, because that is a good way of not looking at, because if you are constantly looking at the figures, right, you have emotions. Maybe you want to close it whilst the take profit has not yet been taken, or maybe you want to hold it, right, which is not according to plan, and then you end up losing for that trade, right? So this is it, guys. We'll just update you what our balance will be, right? I'll just update you on our account what it will be. So guys, this is what we are having right now, right? This is what we are having right now. I don't know why. I think it's because of spread or what, but as you can see on my charts, the break even did not even reach. But as you can see, as I'm recording right now, I got stopped out at a price which is not my break even which I put. And as you can see in my community, people capitalized right now. They just capitalized on this move. Take profit yet, right? It was a 1 to 2 trade. And also in the WhatsApp community, they just capitalized. We also have our other analysts, right, who trade indices. As I told you, I don't specialize in indices. They're just capitalizing. US State, Nasdaq. It's just printing, guys. It's just printing, and I'm the one who gets these shitty results. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to say. I'm feeling emotional, but I don't know what to say. Am I angry or what? I can't even describe the feelings I'm having right now. So with that being said, guys, let me just show you. A person should record. A person should always journalize their progress. So this is what we are up at. Right. This is what we are up at. We now have 16 trades in total for this month, and everything. This was a 5-star trade, as I told you in the morning. This is a 5-star trade, so everything according to plan, except for the exit, which I did not manipulate. So this is not my fault. It's still a 5-star because I had put everything. It's just the same as if I put a TP of 1,200, and because of spread, the TP gets to only 1,000. This will be not your fault. It is only the system or the brokerage. So that's it for today, guys. I showed you everything from entry, trade management to exit. I was not on the trade and it just reacted like this, so it's part of the game. So if you also want to get the same results, guys, you can join our Telegram channel. The links are in the. You can join Telegram channel or WhatsApp community, which you are comfortable with. The links are in the description box below, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, guys, see you guys until next time. Peace out.